Well, it's a beautiful day today. Boom, we're back. So today's workout is going to be a front squat 5x5. I don't really know what the finisher is, but I'm excited to go hit it. I woke up this morning at 141.8. I noticed I looked a little leaner, or maybe it's just me, I don't know. Yeah, gonna go hit this workout. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'll see you guys in the next clip. We're going for the full 5 sets of 5 with 225 this week. So here goes the first set. Perfect. All right, so that was set number 3. That's where I stopped last week. 2 sets left of 5. Those felt good, so see how these next 2 go. Man, it's the last set of 5 here. gonna be set number 4. Doing those pistols with that kettlebell is a lot better. It's a lot easier, feel a lot more stable. It's gonna be the 4th set. You saw on that last one, those last few reps are on that leg that's super hard for me to get down in that pistol squat. And I got one of the reps, but I touched the ground. I don't want to end like that, so kept doing it. But that's the workout. Definitely recommend this finisher. And that warm up, those banded squats were really good for the front squats. So I'm gonna unload this weight and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Boom, so that was the workout. You saw there, 5 sets of 5. On back squat, I did 3 warm-up sets, and then I did, the bar, 135, 185, and then 5 sets of 5 for 225. So that's, I think I've done that before, but last week I only did 3 sets, so this week I definitely wanted to make sure I got 5 sets of 5. Felt good. Obviously they were tough, but I was just really focusing on those quality reps, so I take a little bit longer rest time. But after that, it was 5 lateral box jumps each side and 5 pistols each side. I couldn't really do them, so I did them on the box. Coach said, hey, you can do them. Tried doing them on my own, but I kept losing my balance, so she gave me a kettlebell, as you saw there, to hold out in front of me, because holding my hands out alone worked. Just gonna show you guys that view real quick. Remember yesterday it was all foggy? Now it's beautiful. Beautiful day. So as I was saying, holding that kettlebell out in front of you gives you that extra stability, and you can actually get those reps, which was what I was going for. I want to know how that feels to actually get those reps and what good quality reps look like and feel like. So overall, it was a good session. Pretty pumped on that. Yeah, I'm gonna go have a post-workout meal, and I'm gonna show you guys what I eat. I have been a little bit more lenient on my diet, but it's time to dial it in. Summer's right around that corner, and I want to improve my performance in the gym as well. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. Just gonna make a couple tweaks, just be more dialed in with my diet, and then on the weekend, like say Saturday or Sunday, my family wants to go out to eat or do something, I can go out and be social and still enjoy a meal. But I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, and I'm not done training yet. Like I said, those handstand push-ups, I'm getting those fuckers down. So I'm gonna go do 10 handstand push-ups right now. However, I have to break them up, and then I'm gonna do some cardio as well. But all right, so I just got done doing my cardio. I ran about 3.8 miles, I believe it was. I went on a nice little run outside. It was nice and warm too, so I got good sweat going, man. It's feeling good to be almost into summertime. I think we're in spring, but as you saw there, yesterday and a few days before, it was rainy and foggy. It was super cold. That's just the weather here where I live. But today was nice and sunny. It was warm. Took advantage of that. Went a nice little run. So it's about 1:30. This is probably the latest I've eaten in a long time. I normally eat breakfast around 7 to 8, but since I've been doing my CrossFit workouts in the morning, I don't eat till like 10:30, 11 or 11:30. But right now I'm having my post-workout meal. I just got done doing my cardio and those 10 handstand push-ups. But right now I'm having a little thing of vitamin C because I noticed, well, with the weather being super crazy, people get sick. I've noticed that I've kind of been feeling kind of off lately, so I'm gonna have a big thing of vitamin C. And then I have my 2 vitamin D3. That big red one's fish oil. It's pretty much 2 fish oils, and then B6. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna have right now. And then I'm gonna have my post-workout meal.